What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shan. It's your girl Shan. I'm back with another video. So I'm in the kitchen today. I just put myself to sleep, and I'm going to try and prepare something to eat. I have some rice in the fridge, and I probably about macaroni and corn. Seeing that the storm is held for Jamaica, we're not sure as yet, but based on the results, from the meteorologist, it might reach here pretty soon. We tell us to get prepared, so you know that's tin stuff. So that's basically what I'm eating. Yeah.
I check.
This boy. I hope you guys are staying safe. Be prepared if you're in Jamaica. You're not sure, but you don't want to say if you didn't know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some macaroni together. Alright, so now go on with this. I'm gonna pull in here. Sometimes it's special so normally keep on that. So it's not deep. Somebody some mash up a pan. Friday was supposed to go out. I wanted to take you guys with me, but Melissa said, girl, you gotta stay home. Work in my ear and all that. But I couldn't move. I don't understand Melissa said. I know my face is locked early and all those things. Even though the rain is starting to see to where I am at. But the rain don't start it, but you know we have to take precautions. Stay safe. Because you never know when. Alright, so take out the can. I'm going to do my favorite way. Now I'm going to take out the rice. I did have it tomorrow. So I'm going to cook. So I'm going to stick it to it now. And I always rainy time, guess all the trees will finish. I don't know why. Why? I tell you that it's human nature. I say something. Why would you do me that, yes? I'm getting yes. Supermarket, them empty, they can't even find bread. So I'm just kind of macaroni, guys. Yeah, okay. So guys, this are the rice. macaroni time. I shall the macaroni cook. Alright, let it cook. Saute a little bit. I'm going to add the corned beef. I'm going to add the macaroni. Put some of my macaroni in the fridge because this is a lot. Then of course I'm gonna mix it with rice too. Right, so that's the end product, all in one pot. So I'm gonna do missing crib.